Which Artist of the Year is...
Pablo wins the esteemed Wish Artist of the Year at the 10th Wish Music Awards. Yes, our Pinuno takes home the biggest award for a solo artist at the 10th Wish Music Awards.
Pablo!
Pablo couldn't make it tonight, but he left a message for us to read to everyone. So he said, first off, I want to thank Wish Music Awards for creating a platform that celebrates and uplifts OPM artists. It is truly an honor to be part of a community where music connects us all. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko ito ina-expect kasi lahat ng nominated deserving manalo. Kahit pa man, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Magbigyan man, ng recognition o hindi, tuloy akong gagawa ng mga awitin.
And para sa lahat ng mga hotdog! Maraming salamat sa buhay niyo to Onesie Entertainment, SB19. As we always say, atin to. This achievement is as much yours as it is mine. This one is for all of us. Let's go!